What's up, Mo Style fam? Mr. Mo Style back with another video. And I know it's been a minute since I've done a Black Friday video. So guess what we got today?
I want to spend some time with you. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
And for y'all who don't know what Black Friday is, what we try to do here in the Mo Style fam is to promote black businesses that's new and up and coming. Some may be old, been around for a while, but they're new to us. So we just like to show our support because we understand, as being a black owned business and a brand, as you can see, it's hard out here. So we just like to show our support. And since we shop with everybody, why not shop with another black owned brand? You know what I'm talking about? So today what I got here is something I've been wanting for a while, which I kept putting it off, didn't order them, but I decided to go ahead and cop them. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box, let y'all see what this is, and we're gonna make it do what it do. Trusty little bottle opener knife. Okay. I'm digging. And this is Kosher footwear. Kosher Classics. This is a pair of shoes that I've seen. He had a couple other pair. They were sold out. And just to give y'all a brief little rundown on them, I noticed them from Killer Mike, ATL. You know, he supported them, shout out. And he had talked about them, I think, on the Breakfast Club or something. So I pulled them up, found the shoes. Long story short, they had a couple other pair. They were all sold out. But this pair was still there. And he just dropped a new pair, which I was gonna get at the same time, but I'm still skeptical when I buy a pair of shoes. That these were, I think originally, let me see. On the box, these retail for $350, but I didn't pay $350. I think they were like $150, if I remember right. So yeah. He has a bunch of other stuff, hats, shirts. I didn't see him put on his line and everything to promote his brand. And these are, what is that? Oh, sticker on the inside of the box. Threw me off, but these are from A-Town. And I was getting kind of worried because when I ordered them, I never heard nothing, never got no tracking. Whoa, another bird hit the window.
Oh, my God.
That's the second time we got birds on our, hitting our patio windows, like they flying right into it, like it's crystal clear or something for them, thinking they still in the sky. But anyway, I was getting worried because I was like, man, I ain't heard nothing from them. I ordered them. I ain't got no tracking, no nothing. I just think I got the email confirmation when I paid for them. So after a few days, I hit them up online, didn't get no response right back. So that's when I was really getting worried. It was like, then maybe like 2 days later, you know, finally got a response back. Even though the response was not what I wanted, it was like, yeah, they shipped such and such, but still didn't send me no tracking information or nothing like that. So I was still like, really? But anyway, check back a day or two later, like, hey, any information on that? Receipt? Tracking? Nah. It was just what'd he say? They shipped Saturday, should be here no later than Monday. Or Tuesday. It's cool, but they actually ended up showing up Monday. So I thought I was gonna freak out on a pair of kicks getting screwed again, because you know, I've had a few businesses where I've bought stuff online, custom order from black designers, a few fashions for my wife. Paid for it, never got it. Had to go back and forth with PayPal to get my money back. But got my money back, so no trip. But I ain't even gonna point them out right now on who those people were. They were from the East Coast, I will say that. But let's open these up. So this is the kit. This is like, haven't seen one of these in a box of sneakers in a while. A lot of y'all don't even know what this is for. If you can guess, I may send you something free. But this is the shoe. I'm liking it. I've had an idea for a fit to wear for a while. And you know what? I don't know. No information on the shoe, but let me grab something so I can tell you about the shoe. Okay, so this shoe is called the Domino. Woo, I ain't even gonna try to pronounce that last name. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. I'm not gonna butcher it. Okay, so on this website, some of you, this is what it says. Some may call it the casual luxury. We call it the Domino. You know what? Hold up. What is this word?
Materials?
No, the PL.
Plebeian?
PL.
Plebeian or Plebeian? You definitely said that wrong. There ain't no H. There ain't no H. I said H.
Well, we all ain't got the spelling right on the pronunciation on this right, so I'm just gonna skip that anyway. But it is a handcrafted shoe. It's constructed coupled with the finest materials and styling makes this more than just a comfortable shoe, but an absolutely dope experience. The materials are cashmere suede, toe cap, which that is some good suede right there, and a dotted pony hair side panels, calfskin tongue, and lace panel. Pillow top, cobblestone insole, and margone outsole. And this says these are unisex shoes, but I like the material, I like the quality of it. It looks like it came from a company that I looked over in Italy to make my own custom shoes and get done. It looks like one of their molds. Let me get y'all to zoom in on that, if you can see that. I'm gonna have to fire my helpers.
You wanted you to zoom in on it. Oh, I can't have it set up to do that. I can't have it set up to do that. I can do that myself. Because as you mean, it's gonna be shaky.
You know, all of that's in the background.
They need this. They need this. They need me.
When you got people in training, the young whippersnappers. That is my assistant in the background from Squeaky's production. My young daughter in training.
Youngest.
So,
The
but
best.
she handles all the editing and everything for the Most Style Fam channel. So, but she was off on her phone while she's supposed to be paying attention to the
I
camera.
told
So
you I
that's
can
why.
zoom in.
That's why
That's
I
what
had
I
to say
said.
something, because
I
I'm
got
trying to
all
flag her
that
the shoes,
down.
but she's not.
I got all of that down. All you
Okay.
need to do is turn the shoe and look dazzling.
Look, okay, y'all heard that right? Look dazzling. Kids nowadays, man. But this is the shoe. You know, let's try it on. You know what I'm saying? See how it feels. And it does come with leather shoelaces. Oh boy. I don't know how I'm gonna do it with that, because I had a pair of shoes that had like some leather shoelaces, and them suckers were just difficult. See how good this fits. Okay, there you had the shoe on. I will say, honestly, it does fit a little bigger than my normal size 9, but I'm used to wearing a lot of Nikes, different other shoes, so I know every shoe fits a little bigger or either smaller. But this one is a little bigger, but I still got, I can't even feel my toe. Oh, there it is. That suede is kind of tight right there. But I got plenty of room, so that's good. My feet won't be cramped, or it's not too much room where you know you have a problem if you wear too big of a shoe. But the Domino.
Move the table. These people can't see the shoe.
Oh, that's what you're doing. I'm like, what is you doing? I thought you were speaking sign language in the background. She was like, move the table out the way so people can see the shoe. Can they even see the shoe? Because I can't tell. Only you can tell.
They can see the shoe now.
I do like the little bags that came in. That's what's up. Like I said, I got a fit, and I just got me another dope brim, which I probably seen in our last Sip Sun Friday video that I had on. It's black and red. That'll go nice with what I got working on to match up with this. So there you have it. I'll spot it up. Instead of the red bottoms, we got the red guts. You dig? But he do have his Kosher brand at the bottom of the shoe. It's dope. So I have a ideal. I'm not gonna even tell it for somebody to take it. They feel comfortable so far, but we're gonna have to put it to the test, walking in them, spending at least a day, and see how good they feel on your feet. Especially if I'm gonna come back and grab the other pair. Which the other pair, I'll probably throw a picture down below to show what it looks like, and I'll throw a link of the Kosher Footwear Classic, so y'all can go check them out as well. But these are the Domino, and you know I'm gonna try to say this word. I believe it was Plebeian. I could be wrong, but if I'm wrong, just let me know. I sure would like to know if y'all check that out. But this is it. Kosher Classic Footwear. No, I'm gonna have to Photoshop an outfit right now with it on, because you know these sweats just ain't doing it justice. Even though the Mo Style is, but Mo Style Kosher Classics. Another pair of dope kicks, especially if you're looking for something different. Not the same old normal kicks that you see every day from Nike with all the people stealing all the Nikes. What they call them? Spam bot? Not the bots. You can't even buy a decent pair of Nikes anymore because people with bots is buying up all the shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Nike,
Taking them all up.
y'all need to stop that. Cause I be trying to get a pair of shoes
They all gone. I can't even get
and they
one.
all gone. Can't even get one cause somebody even got like 20 or 30 bots buying up all the shoes. Y'all need to figure something out. I think y'all buying them yourself and doing that and making them higher and making a profit of it. That's what I think y'all doing. That's why y'all ain't stopped it. But that's another story. But anyway, Kosher Classics. Dope footwear brand. Like it. You should go check them out. And I'm Mr. Mostyle. Peace.
What do you do?
What you?
What do you do with it?
Uh-huh. You really? Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Kids do not know what this is nowadays.
I thought you were supposed to do this.
No. This is what back in the day used to come with to help you put your shoe on. You put your
Why
foot
do you
in, you
have
put
to
your
put a
foot
shoe?
on and you put this in there like that. And it slides it in easy.
That's a lot of work.
It helps you from breaking the back of the shoe.
Yeah.
That's a lot of work. I just shut my foot in.
Especially with dress shoes, they used to come with a lot. Kids nowadays, I told y'all.
What do they call that though?